third generation of the OM471 diesel engine ensures further fuel savings. In addition to the aerodynamic optimization measures, Mercedes-Benz Trucks further increases the efficiency of the new Actros L in combination with the third generation of the 12.8-liter OM471 diesel engine. The OM471, available alongside proven OM470 and OM473 diesel engines, is consistently designed to reduce total cost of ownership (TCO) without compromising on performance, driving dynamics, or comfort in terms of fuel-efficient driving, reduced CO2 emissions, lower operating costs, and higher returns. With the third generation of the OM471, Mercedes-Benz Trucks has introduced two new turbochargers precisely geared towards the diverse needs of customers. In the variant, destined for long-haul transportation, the focus is on achieving the lowest possible fuel consumption. In combination with the revised exhaust gas after-treatment system, this exhaust gas turbocharger enables a maximum fuel saving of up to 4% over the previous generation.
Today we are very happy to show to selected journalists our new flagship, the new Actros L, Mercedes-Benz Actros L with the new ProCabin. With this truck, we show what's possible in terms of technology, and by developing this truck we focused actually on several key topics. One of the key topics is efficiency optimization of the truck. As you can see from the outside, we totally reshaped the truck and we put our focus on optimization of the aerodynamics. As you can see, we have very clear lines and good surfaces. We optimize the corners of the truck, and we also optimize the interface between the cab and the chassis. To make sure that the wind flows along the truck, we even put some additional ceilings in here to make sure that the wind seamlessly goes through the truck. With those optimizations, we managed to improve our fuel economy by 3% only by aerodynamics. Besides the energy optimization, the efficiency of the truck, we focused on the safety aspect. And I want to point out two big elements that we worked on. First of all, I want to show you our new headlamps. We are now introducing LED headlamps for all customers. And in addition, we offer matrix LED headlamps that optimize the illumination of the traffic situation for our driver, and by that adding to the safety of the truck and safe driving. In addition, we further improved our active safety systems in the truck. As you know, we always had been the front runners for safety systems in trucks overall. And with the new Actros L, we are introducing a new EE architecture in our truck. And we are introducing new sensors, and with that, improved and better functions. What you can see out here is the integration of our short-range radars. One is here, one is back here, and we have the same sensors on the other side of the vehicle in combination with the long-range radar that is integrated into the front of the vehicle and our high-density camera behind the windshield. We are able to further optimize our safety systems, and just to name a few of them, we have our Active Brake Assist 6 that has an even better performance than we had before. We have further optimized our Active Drive Assist, now generation 3. We have Sideguard Assist on both sides of the vehicles and many more features that all lead to a safe driving of our trucks. With all those innovations, I think we put trucking to the next level, and very proud to introduce the new Actros L with the new ProCabin to our customers. Thank you.
Unser Anspruch ist ja wirklich, den Unfall im Keim auch zu vermeiden. Mit der neuen Technik können wir das einfach viel genauer und viel früher. Und dementsprechend gehen wir immer über das reine warnende oder informierende System wirklich ein aktives System hinein, das auch in die Bremse und in die Lenkung eingreift, dort wo es wirklich kritisch wird und der Fahrer vielleicht mal eine Millisekunde zu spät reagiert.
In meinen Augen ist es dann die große Herausforderung, die Systeme wirklich in all unseren Daimler-Truck-Marken auf der ganzen Welt auf die Straße zu bringen. Und dafür brauchen wir ganz klar die Unterstützung von den Kollegen hier.
Auf der Teststrecke testen wir unsere Systeme im physikalischen Grenzbereich, um so zu bewerten und maximale Sicherheit für unsere Kunden darstellen zu können.
Und jetzt mit dem neuen Programm heben wir alles nochmal auf eine neue Stufe.
Wir fusionieren zwar heute schon in Serie Kamera und Radar, erweitern die Fusion aber zukünftig wirklich auf alle 6 Sensoren.
Und ermöglichen damit zum ersten Mal eine komplette Rundumsicht mit 270 Grad Umgebungserkennung. Und wir können zum ersten Mal neben den bekannten Fußgängern auch Radfahrer in allen Bewegungsrichtungen erkennen und kritische Unfälle speziell mit diesen Passanten auf der Straße vermeiden.